Buenos días y bienvenidos a mi casa. That means good morning and welcome to my home. My name is Rosa Chavez, and I am a bilingual mental health counselor at Agape. I've been asked to talk about some resources that are available for the Spanish speaking community. I have a particular interest in working with the Spanish speaking community. I speak Spanish and I have been working with the Hispanic population at Agape for about 7 years. So I do have some resources that I want to share that are available out there for all the Hispanic people that are looking for mental health resources or are needing some general resources to help them at this time through the coronavirus pandemic here in the Nashville area. So I'm going to share a list of some resources, and I'm going to talk about them as well. So bear with me. So there are a lot of resources out there, thankfully, for the Hispanic community, and I'm really thankful for that. In the first place, here at Agape, I am working with the Spanish-speaking population and people who need counseling, and I am doing that through telemental health remotely. So I'm in my home office right now, and I'm very thankful to be able to have that opportunity to still be able to connect with my clients. So it's been a blessing, and I'm thankful for that as well. So there are some other resources out there for the Hispanic population. There are several websites, agencies that work with the Spanish speakers. One of those is at Vanderbilt. There's a database search tool that's called Camino Seguro. And there they have made available a search tool for anything that people would need, and it is in Spanish. So they're able to find the resources that they need. They also have like I said, a search tool, and there's the link for that. And people can put in what they need, and they have a lot of different resources available. They also are on Facebook, and you can find them there on Facebook at Camino Seguro. Casa Azafran and Conexión Américas is another agency that also works with the Spanish-speaking population. They have a lot of information and resources available on Facebook, on their websites. They've made a lot of lists of things that people can find if they need help with, for example, food, shelter, healthcare, legal assistance right now, and also mental health assistance. And I know that that's it's an important thing right now to help the Hispanic population, because not only are they struggling with not being able to work, as all of us are right now, but they also have other limitations and difficulties with the language barriers, and in some cases with legal issues as well. So the next agency that I've listed is TIRC, the Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition. They also provide a wealth of information on their website and Facebook page too. Mental Health America of the Mid-South, they are a great organization, and they also have a special interest in helping the Spanish-speaking population. And they have provided information. They have provided some mental health screenings on their website, and the information is there for the link for their website. And they also have a great article on some resources that are available right now during the COVID-19 pandemic. I also want to mention that there are resources out there for anyone who might be struggling with thoughts of suicide, or family members who are struggling with thoughts of suicide. The Suicide Prevention Lifeline has a great web page, and they also have a phone number that's specific for people who speak Spanish, and that is the information there. And also we have the numbers listed for the English talk line, and the text line. Mobile crisis services also has a lot of, they have help available. If people are in crisis and need immediate help, they will help anyone, whether they speak English or Spanish, and there is the number for that. Also, the Sexual Assault Center provides counseling in Spanish and crisis services in Spanish as well, and that's the number for the crisis line, and it's a 24-hour crisis line. Mercy Community Healthcare also provides healthcare and counseling services in Spanish. Insight Counseling Centers is another great agency that also helps people in Spanish. Alive Hospice is a great resource for anyone who is needing information about grief or grief counseling or support groups for grief. And they have a special interest too in helping people who speak Spanish, and they will do so. There are several clinics that are offering health care and mental health care. They provide either medication or counseling, and they have people who will speak Spanish there at those clinics. There is actually a search tool called My Health Care, and you can find information there to find low-cost health care. Faith Family Medical Center is an organization that will provide health care and medication care, psychiatric medication care there too in Spanish for people who speak Spanish. So Loam Clinics is another great resource for people that speak Spanish, and they have great doctors there. St. Thomas at the Holy Family Health Center, they provide help in Spanish. They also have a counselor there that speaks Spanish. Clínica La Paz is another clinic for Spanish-speaking people. And at neighborhood health clinics, there's one in Casa Azafrán, and they also help people who speak Spanish. So that is the information I have. If anyone would like to contact me, if you need more information about other resources, you're welcome to call me. Or if you are looking for a counselor for someone who speaks Spanish, you can call our number at 615-781-3000, and you can speak with me, or Jocelyn also speaks Spanish. Thank you and have a good day.